Hi, my name is Ambrit and welcome to my channel. My background is I'm an esthetician, beauty therapist, holistic therapist, and today's video is going to be a 101, everything you need to know about Gua Sha. I'm going to show you how I incorporate this into my evening routine. I'm going to show you how to do the full face and neck, but first of all we're going to talk about what is Gua Sha, the contraindications, the benefits, the don'ts, but without further ado, let's get into the video. So what is Gua Sha? Gua means scrape, Sha means sand. So it's a technique, massage technique that can be used on the body and on the face. And we use Jade tool, or you can use rose quartz, but Jade is known for its healing, balancing and cooling effect on the body. So it incorporates acupressure points, lymphatic drainage, releasing toxins, but improving the blood circulation, and also relieves chronic pain, muscular tension. Now, in the body we have 12 zones which are called meridians, and the energy, which is called qi, if that's blocked and becomes stagnant, it can come out in the body as inflammation or pain. So the philosophy is we are trying to balance and heal and remove any blockages, because as the saying goes, where the energy goes, that's where the energy flows. Let's talk about the benefits since we're doing the face. So the benefits are, because we're improving the blood and the lymph circulation, your complexion is going to be much brighter, healthier, glowing. We're stimulating collagen and elastin production, so it's also anti-aging benefits, and we're also doing some facial contouring. Now, obviously, with consistency, you will see more improvement. It's also going to depuff the skin, hence, if you suffer from dark shadows, you will see improvement with consistency because we're draining the lymph. For congestion or inflammation in the skin, however, please don't do this when you have an active breakout. We're promoting healing because we're breaking up that stagnant energy, the qi. So you will see a big improvement in your complexion. It's going to be much brighter and clearer. So let's talk about contraindications. You're not going to do this if your skin is sunburned, if you have an active breakout, if you have rosacea, eczema, or if you're on blood thinner medication. It's really important for your skin to be hydrated. When you're using this tool, you need to put oil on to use the tool. You cannot use it on dry skin. You're going to do more damage than good. Also, use as flat as possible. Don't be using at this angle like this. How often can you do this treatment? You can do it every night if you wish, or do it 3 to 5 times a week, whenever you can fit it in your schedule. To take care of your Jade tool, because they're very easy to break, you have to be careful. I prefer to use a plastic bowl, mild soapy water, and just wash it, rinse it off, lay it on a flat surface to dry. And because I use the Mount Lay Jade Gua Sha tool, when I dry it off, I just put it back in its box. However, if you don't have this or a different brand, just put it in a safe place where it's not going to get damaged. So now we come to the demo, the good part. So I have already applied my RoC Retinol Correction eye cream, got to keep them wrinkles away, and RoC Retinol Deep Wrinkle Serum. Now I have did this the opposite way around tonight because of the sake of the video. Normally I would apply my water-based serum, wait a little while, and then I would apply this because it has to be on dry skin. So I've did it the opposite way around. So what I would normally do, I'm going to rehydrate my skin, so I'm going to use Roche Posay thermal spring water. So it's very important your skin is hydrated. So even if you're just using an oil, hydrate your skin first. If you've cleansed it, leave it slightly damp, and then apply your oil. So going to spray generously on the face and neck. I'm going to apply my water-based serum, which is Marine Hyaluronics from The Ordinary. To give me hydration, and it's also to clear and brighten the skin and great anti-aging benefits. The hydration is coming from the marine algae. I had to stop using hyaluronic acid, it was making me break out with the humidity. So next up, I am going to apply 4 drops. Normally I'd apply 2 and mix with my moisturiser, but because we're doing Gua Sha, so I'm going to put 4 drops. Rosehip seed oil, great anti-aging benefits and many other benefits, heals any inflammation in the skin, great antioxidants, and I'm mixing it here with The Ordinary Natural Moisturising Factors and HA. This is a good moisturiser to mix with the oil. You can apply just oil to damp skin if you wish, but I prefer to use this because this, I'm just showing you how I would do it in my evening routine. So all over the face, neck, shoulders. And what we're going to do is start off with the back of the neck, just the way I would do a facial on somebody, because the tension is important to relax the nervous system, and the tension all starts from the spine, up the neck and the shoulders, and what stagnates here then shows on your face. So I'm going to start on the back of the neck. I recommend you do 5 movements. I'm going to do just 1 or 2 for the sake of the video because I want to show you the whole routine. Okay, so you take the notched edge and place it at either side of your spine. So place it at either side of your spine. Come slowly up the neck when you hit the bone. You know what to do. Do your wiggle. With the long flat edge, come up the side of your neck. When you hit the bone under here, do your wiggle. Place your hands on your collarbone here. I'm going to go up. When you come up to under the jawline, do your wiggle. Let's do the other side. Slowly up the neck. When you hit the bone, here. You'll feel all them knots you're releasing, and then we come to the side here, come up, do your wiggle. Here, let's address the turkey neck. So get your notched edge, place your fingers here between your collarbone. Going to come up, do your wiggle. Try and keep as flat as possible. Next we're going to do the jawline. So get your notched edge, place your fingers here. And come slowly up. You can feel the grittiness and the notch releasing. Do the other side, the same. Now we come to the cheek. So with the long flat edge, just place your fingers beside your nose just to support the skin. Keep it as flat as possible. And then do your wiggle when you're in here. And now I'm going to go underneath the cheek. And remember, you do 5 times. Over here. Do it slightly slower than this. And then we're going to go underneath again. Now we're going to do the eye area. So one of your notches, place your ring finger, and this is very light pressure. This is good for any puffiness under the eye and also to help with dark shadows under the eye area. So very light pressure. When you reach the temple, do a wiggle. Wiggle when you get to the temple. Now we're going to do the brow area. So just place your fingers here, and with the notched edge, we're going to go slowly across the brow area. Do slower than this. And then we're going to take the long flat edge, hold it flat as you can, and we're going to address them forehead wrinkles. So we're going to come up slowly. When you get to the hairline, you know what to do. Other side, place your hands lightly just on the eyeball, and it's coming off so like you're lifting the skin. Slowly up the forehead. There we go. Now I like to end on this area, the third eye. Very important acupressure point. It also helps release stress and anxiety. So just put your fingers just between your eyebrows here, and we're going to use the short flat edge. Come slowly up, do your wiggle. And how I like to end off is to put your fingers here to drain the lymph down your neck. Just do this movement twice if you're doing 5 times. And the same on the other side. Just to complete the lymph drainage. And that is it. Voila. Thank you for watching. Until the next time. Bye.